no choice sa simbahan who happened to be my students before. Senior ma'am, ikaw na ni. O, no choice no being as the NSTP director of the Guimaras State University. Actually, I am so happy looking to your faces. Some of you are my students from Buena Vista National High School. Abi pa yung kamon kay niya makita. Okay ba, Jen? Oh, thank you so much. Ako na lang mga estudyante. And of course, yung mga ihada na ko diri nga Ari Subong, former teacher man, co-teacher ko from Agsanayan, si Mamiho. Amiho. Okay. And of course, co-teacher ko si Sir Ryan when I was still at Buena Vista, serving until 2015. Sir, no? Pinataka-tuloy mo nag-ugtanay. And from Buena Vista National High School, I was there for almost 17 years. No? Then going to Agsanayan National High School as the head teacher. Naka 2 years ko to. Then there is an opportunity, and of course through the help of Sir Early and Dr. Artajo, the college president at that time, I was being invited, no? Pero nag-apply man ako to be part of the university. At college pa na sinakatay. Now, sige, I am going to apply para lain naman abing mga beauty, no, kag makita na ako experiences. But to the point that to be the NSTP director, it was not my dream actually. No? Nag-ibot lang man ako when I was appointed as the NSTP director of the NSTP because siguro of my experience serving other people when I was still at DepEd, being as the Red Cross advisor, and moving forward, na maskin wala kami ginatawa nga mag-respond during sa regional, provincial meet. Ako kasaka ko kay Sir Gabriel Nanay, no? Si Sir Gabriel. Armando, Sir, pwede kami ka-volunteer. Kaya medyo at that time, grabe ang Red Cross natin from Buena Vista National High School. And because of that, nakita man sa iba school all over Guimaras, nga active ang Buena Vista National High School for serving that because when I was still studying at ISAQ, WBCSD pa na, no?
Yes.
Sino di ang akon kaupo sa ISAQ sa WBCSD? Abi, bayaw ka mo? Taga-ISAQ. Sir Villases? O, ISAT? O, wala, no? Ako lang galit. Kasi Sir Villases. Ay, no, may araw man iba na lumay. It so happened that I really love to join the ROTC. Pero, may mga instances nga wala madayon, but I was being applying at the ROTC Army, pero may mga case abi nga hindi na dayon. Nag-proceed ako sa isang Navy. So, naka-training ko to for 1 day, and likewise, kay Sir ako ba, sorry Sir, ako ba, wala ako mag-grade that, diretso ako sa akong nga akong message. Nag-training ko for 1 day. Then, looking forward sinada, pag siling nila, okay, sino gusto makaman? So, volunteer man ako to join the team. And because of my experience being as an adjutant during my high school days, napakita man ako ng ato na Pilipino. So, because of that, pagka-Monday na nabulabog na sa the whole university, sa whole college, nga nag-join ako. So damo na nagsiling na sige go. But again, God do not want me to be part of the ROTC. May mga hindrances abi. Now, wala ko na ito na-persevere. So because of that, na-frustrate na to actually, no, sa ilang cases. I joined somebody just asked me to join to the Red Cross. So ako na siguro naging pamagi sa ako to be part, serving other people. And because of that, I was the president of the Red Cross of the ISATIO. And nagamit ko gila because siguro ang ako doon ni from halin sa ulo asa sa napadapa na panalaytay gihapon ang Red Cross because Red Cross helped me a lot. And because of that, serving other people, this is also a way na nakita man sa university that maybe I am qualified to be part of the NSPP director. No? And I could connect my experiences from serving other different agencies also and looking up to the ROTC because at the start gusto ko gitya kay gusto ko gitani niya maging commandant man ako sa una. Iwala ka na yun. Now, with this, when I entered being as an SPP director, I noticed that medyo bitin silitong lakay na ni ma'am, no? Gamay lang ang aton nga ROTC. So what I did is I was able to make a communication to the university president that we are going to have a strategy that we are going to limit the number of students who are taking the LTS and CWTS. Although, may mga layi kita nga dapat sundon. But to the point that there is limited amount, a limited budget for salary of the LTS and CWTS. So the university president signed those agreement. Actually, gusto man ni ma'am, sila niya sa akin, kung pwede mo maurot-urot ha. Ako na ka-supportive si ma'am president, but we could not go away for the policy. This is being imposed to us by our government, no? The Republic Act 9163. So what we did is, because of that, there are many students who are clamoring that they do not want to be part of the ROTC. Kaya nakita nila may mga kamang-kamang puno, nakita nila damo, kaya ang pati iabis ang criminal justice ng mga activities, nakita nila, abi nila, ang ROTC totally. And then, what are their perception is, when they are joining at the CWTS, manglimpyo lang sila. Which I heard so many times, pero ako ng perception kung CWTS, manglimpyo. But they do not know that they have a lot of responsibility to be done when that is CWTS and LTS. Hindi lang panglimpyo. That's only a part of the activity. Damo na activity. So there is a trainings, we have a lots of training to be done, na may ara sila dapat ng first aid, may ara sila readiness for deployments, kung may ara kita nga mga calamity. There is also a research to be done before sila ma-deploy sa community. And there are a lot of more for the CWTS. So ginakakas na naman ang perception that when you are CWTS or LTS, only makapot sa silid ka mang limpyo sa community. That's not. There are a lot of things to be done for the CWTS and LTS. So mo nang gusto sa kabataan, kay mang limpyo lang kuno. But when there is an orientation, naglalain sila for those nga nakategorize na namon tong actually ang ginsala binamon when and that is enrollment, ginapalista kung pila ka bilog na ang CWTS, pila na ang LTS, then ang ROTC. So pag puno na, first come, first serve basis. We have no choice. But what will happen kung sobra ka mo, sino matuturo sa inyo? Di ba lang? So we have no choice to enroll the ROTC. But, para ma-inspire sila, we were able to have the orientation. And because of that orientation, through of course, sa grabe nga talento ni Sir Villases, to convince sa aton nga mga kabataan, naklaruhan sila kung anong mga benepisyo sinada. And to note that there are many of our students who receive financial assistance coming from our military side. Okay? Only at the ROTC. So, because of that, kada ako sa nga ito ng estudyante nga nakamuklat man git kung daw ano ka-importante ang ROTC. And looking for that, ROTC is always there. Pag siling mo nga, sige noy, pwede pang libyo ko ba anay? Sige noy, pang ako pa mo ni anay, pangakot lang ko. Everything pag siling ROTC.
Yes.
Galupan na sila yan. Pero abin yung on the other side, kakasubok man kami sa pihak na side, although magina-train man sila sa CWTS, LTS, may mga ara pag estudyante kung kaysa, hindi man totally tanan, pero may ara pag niya. Lain ang training ni ROTC, kaya pag siling nga isa ka order, automatic ka dinalaga niya yan, kaya pati kuha bangko. Hindi pwedeng na ROTC lang tanan, we need to work. Because tanan kita on the final end, para rin kita tamo. Okay? The only difference is, when it is ROTC, grabe ang trainings and discipline. So, I have heard before that, according to Ma'am President, that they are planning that the Guimaras will be the model for the whole ROTC sa diri sa aton. So, yung mo nila model, but I do not know when that happened because siling ko gani, we could not do away with Republic Act 9163 because we need to let our students choose kung saan sila. But for us, we may able to maintain actually damo pag enrollment ni ROTC kumpara sa atong CWTS na nag-combine na with LTS. Amo na kita dire because we wanted to raise the number of students who are more disciplined in the field of this institution, and when they are moving out, maging malami ang imahin sa Guimaras State University. Di ba na?
Yes.
So one thing more is gabilit man ko kay sir because siling niya kung hindi na ko yan komanda, siguro sa hindi ka komanda, hindi mo ko may state director eh. Diba? Because grabe man ang power ni sir. Through sa iya, we were able to raise some number of uniforms for our gala. Pila sir kan kabilo? 50?
20.
Ay, 20. So, we were able to contribute some amount sa 5,000 each para sa kada gala. So, si Sir Gulo nakatagman for me, si Ma'am President, si Sir Ernie.
Sino nga batch sa naghatag?
Sino nga batch ang nag... Okay. So, halos na lang. Still, with that number of gala, we still need more para may mga lain naman sir na beauty na makita, hindi lang amo na mga colors sila, no? Because every time we have, not only at the university na may mga activity, even sa Banua, but sa iban man, kita nyo man ang aton yung mga ROTC, kundi lang ang mga kabarangayan, kina-request for that presentation, maski sa birthday, sa kasal, arak na. So, they really appreciate sa aton mga ROTC. Amo na dili ang beauty sa kabataan. So they are inspired to render sang ilang services sa kada barangay. Even may gamay na nangahatag ta, at least they are happy. Then what happened is, kina-collect na nila ang amount. Then, kung may mga activities na kinanglanon na pinagamit. Pero still, we need to raise more amount. When we are running the organization, the ROTC, may mga instances sabi nga in terms of financial, we have no choice but kung kaisa salong-salomon git, salong-salomon kisino na nagayad, you know. Oh, I have no choice kung kaisa, but we need to spend sa mga resources para nga mag-overcome na. No, with this, no, I am still looking forward for more alumni na matabo sa inyo.
Yes.
Upon hearing sa inyong mga sharing, I really appreciate kung paano ka muna umpisa, paano ka muna kalapot-subong sa inyong kung ano na kamusubong, and we are happy. In behalf of the Guimaras State University, we are so happy that you were able to have this GSU Advanced ROTC Officer Second Alumni Homecoming. And this is not only the end, but still again, the beginning, that we may able to invite others to be part of this community. Nga gina-raise ninyo and expecting that we are still hoping for your full support, that we could not only raise the banner of Guimaras State University being as a second runner-up in the whole region, but hopefully, kay damo nakamuti rin subong, no, we need more support para madugangan naton ang pag-raise ng banner sa Guimaras State University. Actually, do ginakumbaan na subong ang taga Pasig City College because nagkonfilang umunod si Guimaras State University. Kay previous years, we are rank 7. No? Ay, rank 5 kita? So, rank 5.
7 and 5.
Oh, okay. So, amo na siya sa nagligat, so pila kita na third. Pero kung wala kita sumala sa iba ng mga aspect running for actually second or first. Actually, ang second labi nga kundi kita number 3, no? The second, wala din sila sing mga special award. So, kabi naton sa iya sa first dito and kita. So, amo nang pinakadamo naton nila nga award. So, hindi ka mo makibot kahapon nga puwerte, kadamo nga medals na gindagdag namon sa kabataan. So, they are very happy receiving their awards. Maskin hapon na, nagabihan kami, enjoy man sila because of that awards nga nabaton nila. We were able to have more than 650 medals nga pagwa namon for just only simple nga medal, pero aside from that, may araman kita mga iya sa ROTC. So what we did, ang natabo sa iban nga hindi na naman kaya to raise ang amount, nakita na lang pamagi nato mga officers nga mangin donor, sino donor nila sa ilang nga medals, no? Sorry for that. Pero ang makaya lang namon atong daw 600 plus nga medals. So, kontak pa hindi ito, kailan na ito biliya. It's more than mga 11,000, no? Pero pinakakita kita sa medyo probahado. At least natagaan natin sa justisya ang ilang pangabudlay. And to end, I would like to say thank you so much, Sir Villasis, for leading the ROTC. And for inspiring us, we have here Sir Jacoba, for leading the group, Sir Ryan, and to all of you. We are so happy that you may able to have this activity in order for not only for just a reunion, but this is for reminiscing of what you have done before, your experiences, and until today. So God bless everyone and enjoy your life.